If you're getting a low or slow fill on your tank, you don't have to replace it with one of these. Something like this will cost you anywhere between $15 and $25. It might be as easy as a $2 fix. So let's go check out what's happening and see if this repair is going to win over this repair. Here's the situation. It's driveling. Removing the cap is pretty easy. Just lift up, pry on it a little bit. You got this little channel, and they're all a little different, but they all pop off like this. See how it's just kind of doing that little leakage thing there? And it's not coming out the tube here where it should be. So let's troubleshoot this. First thing you need to do is shut off the water underneath your tank. This is the shut-off valve underneath your toilet. Rotate it clockwise, or this direction, to shut it off. Now you just pick this up a little bit and rotate it. You're trying to get this notch out. Come on now, there we go. Now, what do you have here? You got this, hang on a second. Don't want to break it off, so what I can do is I can just take it off of the float by twisting it. Alright, so these washers, which is, that's the replacement for, are, they go eventually. There's a couple things you can do to test this theory, but you just bring it out. Oh, see, there, it broke off. So I know it's the washer. So I'll just take that off. That's an easy fix, because I was going to show you that you can check here to see if this is flowing. Even though it's plastic, these towers where the water comes in from the bottom rarely break. I mean, they might, but I've never had one break. Usually it's this washer. If you have to replace this, you have to empty the tank. Water comes out the bottom. It's a real pain. So let's just get in here, replace this washer, and then put it all back together. These are easy to find. Get them in any hardware store. For this one, and specifically, it also shows you some instructions on the back to make sure you're getting the right one. So just take it off, make sure it looks the same as its replacement does. Looks pretty much the same. Hopefully it's going to work. We'll see. Push it on, push it in. Now you're going to have that little piece there. Rotate it back. Now I got to bring it, get the float back on, and that's just a matter of lifting it up a little bit, twisting it, and just put it whatever height you want it at. It's just a matter of figuring out where the fill line is. We're going to put the cap on. Placing the cap, you just line up this little slot. Yours might not be exactly like this, but they all pretty much do the same thing. Put on there like that, and then just press down gently. It's in place. Go back to the valve, rotate it counterclockwise, or this way, to turn your water back on. And there it is. An easy $2 fix, as opposed to a $15 to $25 fix. And takes 30 seconds by emptying all the water out of the tank. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of different repairs, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what repair you're going to see.